Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we're sharing step-by-step recipes to make crispy fried chicken skin at home, plus lighter, healthier versions you'll love. Ready to cook? Let's begin. The science behind the crisp. Ever wonder why fried chicken skin transforms from soft and pliable to that addictively crunchy bite? The magic happens at the molecular level, where heat, fat, and chemistry come together to create something irresistible. Let's break down the three key processes that turn ordinary skin into crispy perfection. Fat rendering. The first step to crispiness. Chicken skin is packed with fat. This is a good thing. When you drop it into hot oil, that fat starts to melt away. Here's how it works. Heat breaks down collagen. The connective tissue in skin loosens as it cooks, releasing fat and water. Pockets of fat liquefy. These pockets bubble up, creating space for crispiness to develop. The rendered fat also flavors the skin from within. Too much fat left behind makes it chewy, but just enough ensures a light, crackly texture. Moisture evaporation. Out with the water, in with the crunch. Water is crispiness's worst enemy. For skin to get truly crunchy, moisture needs to exit completely. Oil's high heat forces water out. At 300 degrees Fahrenheit plus, water turns to steam and escapes, leaving tiny air pockets. Dryness equals crispiness. The less moisture left, the more brittle and crunchy the skin becomes. That's why patting skin dry before frying matters. It gives water fewer places to hide. The Maillard reaction. Where flavor meets color. That golden brown hue isn't just for looks. It's the Maillard reaction, a chemical dance between proteins and sugars under heat. Amino acids plus sugars create complex flavors. Think savory, nutty, and deeply rich notes. Brown equals better. The darker the color, without burning, the more intense the flavor. High heat speeds this up, but oil also helps by evenly distributing temperature. Why some skins stay crispy longer? Ever notice how some fried skins stay crisp for hours, while others turn soggy fast? The secret lies in double frying. A second quick fry drives out leftover moisture, reinforcing crispness. Proper draining. Letting excess oil drip on a rack prevents steam buildup underneath. Now that you know the science, you'll never underseason or overcrowd the fryer again. Every step has a purpose, from rendering fat to chasing away water. The next section will show you how to use these principles to make restaurant-worthy fried chicken skin at home. Health considerations and alternatives. Let's be honest, fried chicken skin is pure indulgence. That crispy, salty bite comes with a trade-off. It's high in calories and fat. But that doesn't mean you have to give it up entirely. With smart tweaks to how you cook and portion it, you can still enjoy the crunch without overdoing it. Nutritional breakdown. A single ounce of fried chicken skin, about a small handful, packs 150,170 calories, 14-16 g fat, mostly saturated, 7-9 g protein. The fat content gives it that rich mouthfeel, but it also means moderation is key. If you're watching your intake, think of it as an occasional treat rather than a daily snack. Lighter cooking methods. Craving that crunch without all the oil? Try these techniques to cut back on grease while keeping texture intact. Baking. Lay skin flat on a wire rack over a baking sheet. Lightly brush with oil or spray, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20-25 minutes until golden. Flip halfway for even crispness. Bonus. Excess fat drips off as it cooks. Air frying. Toss skin with a teaspoon of oil, just enough to coat. Air fry at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 10-12 minutes, shaking the basket once. Comes close to deep-fried crunch with a fraction of the oil. Broiling. Place skin on a foil-lined tray, 4-6 inches under the broiler. Watch closely. It browns fast in 3–5 minutes. Ideal for thin, even pieces that crisp quickly. For extra flavor without added fat, season generously with spices, citrus zest, or nutritional yeast. And if you're balancing a meal, pair smaller portions with fresh veggies or a light salad to round it out. Pro tip: whether baked or air-fried, always pat the skin dry first. Moisture is the enemy of crispness, no matter the cooking method. The key takeaway: fried chicken skin doesn't have to be off limits, just smarter. Adjust how you cook it, keep portions reasonable, and savor every bite. Creative recipes using fried chicken skin. Fried chicken skin doesn't have to stay on the plate where it landed. With its crunch and rich flavor, it's a secret weapon for upgrading all kinds of dishes. From tacos to salads, here's how to turn those crispy golden bits into something even better. Fried chicken skin tacos. Swap out the usual taco fillings with crispy fried chicken skin for a messy but unforgettable bite. The key is balancing textures and flavors so it doesn't feel too heavy. Here's how to build them right. Warm corn tortillas slightly so they don't crack under the crispy skin. Layer with shredded cabbage or pickled onions for acidity and crunch. Drizzle with chipotle crema, sour cream mixed with adobo sauce, to cut through the richness. Top with cilantro and lime for freshness. The result: a taco that's crunchy, creamy, and packed with layers of flavor. Crunchy salad toppings. Salads need texture, and fried chicken skin delivers better than store-bought croutons. It adds a salty, meaty punch that turns a simple bowl into something special. Try these combos. Chopped fried skin over a wedge salad with blue cheese and cherry tomatoes. Strips of crispy skin on a kale Caesar, replacing bacon for a deeper flavor. Crumbled bits on a grain bowl with quinoa, roasted sweet potatoes, and tahini dressing. For best results, add the skin just before serving so it stays crisp. A little goes a long way, just a handful transforms the whole dish. Got leftover skin? Crumble it over soups, fold it into cornbread batter, or use it as a garnish for creamy pasta. It's the crispy finishing touch everything needs. Fried chicken skin is more than a guilty pleasure. It's a crispy, salty bite that spans cultures and cuisines, transforming humble scraps into something extraordinary. From Southern soul food to Japanese izakaya bars, every corner of the world has found a way to celebrate its crunch. The best part: you don't have to choose between flavor and moderation. Try baking or air frying for a lighter version, or go all in with deep-fried indulgence on special occasions. Crumble it over salads, tuck it into tacos, or enjoy it straight from the fryer. Whatever you do, savor it. Few foods deliver satisfaction this reliably. Now it's your turn. Pick a recipe, experiment with seasonings, and make it your own. Just don't be surprised when everyone asks for seconds. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.